everybody, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. B Lux Love, LVOE, and I want to do another unboxing today. It's this box. So before we talk about this unboxing, this is the original travel piece I have. It's Keep All 50. I've had this for I think 4 years or 5 years. Probably 5 years. 4 years. I don't know, somewhere between there. I'll figure it out. But I've had this one, brand new from the boutique, and this gets a little tiresome. So this holding on your shoulders, I don't know, it gets heavy and tiresome, and my husband's already holding his and then holding mine. Yeah, it's tiresome. So that's when this came in. This was I think my CA ordered it in July, and it took like 7 weeks to come in. So when it took, I think the 5-week period, she was like, okay, I'm gonna order you another one. And boom, two of them came in back to back, like within, I think, 4 days of each other. So the one that I wanted, because I looked at the other one, they didn't have the protective stuff all over it. This one did. So this is the one that I went with. Let's open it up. Ooh. Any guesses? Big bag. Now, if you're on my Instagram, you already know what it is. But let's box up. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. Oh. Here she is. The Louis Vuitton the Horizon 50. So I have a hot stamp, Mrs. B, that's me, and yeah, the 50. I needed a 50, and it's made in France. I have a thing about that. I know some people are like, oh, it matters to me. So if it's made in France, it's a plus for me. And my CAs that I deal with too, they both know she's gonna have a problem about this. So it's made in France, so I'm excited about that. It still has protectant on it. You can't see it on here, but it's a sticker on both sides. The wheels say LV 360. TSA approved lock on the side. And let's see. Unzipper. Let's see. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it don't fall over. But there it is. Ta-da-da. Yeah. It unzips on this side. It has a zipper pocket right there. This is, yeah, the Horizon 50 monogram. That's the booklet. All right. Hold it like that. But it's a 50 compared to the 50 Keep All. I flipped it over. Yeah, I'm excited, and I will be packing her up in a few days or getting ready. So I'm excited about it, to roll her on out. And I can just swap the tags. It looks, well, no, that tag's a square. This tag is like with a little loop at the top. But this one has my initials on it. And then it was the year, it must have been the year of the dog, because there's a dog. What is that? Oh, there's a dog. So it must have been the year of the dog. I'm gonna have to figure out what year I bought this and let y'all know. But it's the year of the dog. So yeah, And this is her. Everything on this one is still good. The patina evenly all over. So, yeah. But this is the new rolling luggage. And I will be carry-on only. If they end up saying, oh, we have to check it in, well, just cancel my flight. Because, no, I'm not, I don't check in this type of thing. I wouldn't check that in. But I've heard stories. So, yeah, I don't check in. Certain things I don't check in at all. If it can't go on my carry-on, I already know. Because I've had stuff stolen out of my luggage before. So, yeah, I don't put certain things in luggage that does have to be checked in. But back to the luggage. This is my new baby. It was worth the wait, and it's always out of stock. But I think lately, when I looked on the Louis Vuitton site Tuesday, like about 4 days ago, it was on there available. It says a 4 to 6 week, I think it's 4 to 6 weeks. I don't know. I'll check and see. But yeah, the 50, I had an option of doing a 55, but I rather the 50 because I don't know, I'm just scared if I get something 55 and then TSA changes the rules to something lesser, then I would have to check it in. So 50 was a safe size for me. I also did that with the same reasoning with the keep all 50. So yeah, keep all 50. I'm only 5 feet on the dot, so I only go to the, what is it? Yeah, it goes taller, but I go to this one. I go to that one right there. So I'll put some shots in so y'all can see it rolling. But it's so pretty. Now here's a 50 and a 55 comparison. The 50 is the vachetta. The 55 is the red. I don't think I like this size. I wish they did have it. I like this one. I think this. Okay, here's the second item that I'm gonna fully unbox. And they are Blue Box Means sunglasses. And I got these about a month ago, I think. They've been in here probably 3 weeks, well, about a month. They've been in the box. They come like this. Put the box there. And she ordered me, my CA ordered me, I think like 4 pair in. And she was trying to get me to do some different ones. One was a white frame and one was like a beige tan frame. I like black. I like black. I like black. So we stuck with black. Now tortoise I probably would have did, but I like black. And these are so cute. I'm gonna have to tell y'all what the name of these are. See? Aren't they cute? Oh, and look at the tips. You see the tips? I hope it's focusing. The tips have little flowers. Now let's put them on. Y'all see that? I like them. Yes. I love these because, let me see, I'm gonna tell y'all the name of them. Somebody, when I posted it, someone else asked, and I don't know the name. Yeah, the LV Icon Round. That's what these are. The LV Icon Round. So that's what these are. Yeah, they're so cute. And they're not, you see how they're like a octagon? Yeah, octagon. That's how they are. And I usually do square, but these are like in between square and round. They're so cute. I like them. So, yeah. But these are like a cat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. As you can see, these don't fit my face. They're too big.
Let me show you these.
No, you know I ain't gonna wear them.
Why?
Because they're black. They're not black.
Yeah, but you already have them.
These were different, the style and everything. So these are the winners, the ones I purchased. So, yeah. So, I think that's it. I don't have anything else to talk about. I'm not as shy as I was last time, y'all. But I have another unboxing from little green bag unboxing, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I don't know, I gotta see. But it'll be coming. I don't know how often I'll be posting because I'm still, you know, trying to get there. But let me show y'all what else was in the bag. Like probably my 14 book. I have every catalog since number 2. Well, as you see, the first one doesn't have a number, but these are all the ones I've been collecting. I've been purchasing LV since 2006. I think number 2. And I have perfume samples, but I already have, I have a Tropis Revis, I have Millifu, I have Corbaton, I have, what else do I have? I have 2 other ones, but I can't name them. What else do I have? Okay, so these are the ones I have. And yes, refill time is coming again for 2 of them. But I love them. But yeah, okay, that's all, y'all. Thank y'all. Peace.